Elon Musk has recently revealed an aquatic world in space that is 140 trillion times the size of Earth. Elon Musk has stated his dissatisfaction with the current level of space travel, claiming that humanity should have a lunar base, cities on Mars, and be out among the stars. However, this is contingent on the success of Starship and, of course, a potential Earth 2.0, a world estimated to be 140 trillion times the size of all Earth's water has recently been discovered floating in space. Musk made the following observation in light of recent breakthroughs in the science of space travel. It took only 66 years from the first flight to the first lunar landing, but it has now been half a century since the last moon landing. That cannot be our pinnacle as a culture. Similarly, he commemorates the Wright brothers' maiden flight, which occurred in 1903 and is regarded as a watershed moment in aviation history. Musk has lofty ambitions that extend beyond Earth's orbit. He plans first to establish a permanent human settlement on the moon, then colonizing Mars. SpaceX's Starship mega-rocket, a key component of Musk's plans, is expected to undertake an autonomous mission to Mars within the next 4 years. Musk has been the driving force behind SpaceX's efforts to fulfill these goals for nearly a decade. The Starship spaceship is critical to these initiatives. It is designed for deep space travel, including trips to Mars. This reusable vehicle, which can transport up to 100 people, represents a significant advancement in space exploration technology. Musk has always desired to create a human presence on Mars, and the creation of this project reflects his childhood fascination with the planet. His goal is to ensure the survival of the human species by providing a backup in the case of a catastrophic occurrence on Earth. This is the impetus for his audacious idea. Musk has set an ambitious timeline for these initiatives, aiming to send the first crewed mission to Mars by 2024. Musk has an enormous ambition that is bigger than just living on Mars. He imagines a prosperous colony that engages in mining, manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism. This plan also includes the formation of a Mars-specific culture. Substantial obstacles must be overcome for Musk's vision to become a reality. Mars' inhospitable climate provides several severe blocks, including drastic temperature variations, low air pressure, and intense radiation levels. To address these issues, SpaceX is focusing its efforts on developing technologies that will allow the creation of long-term life support systems for colonists. These systems will include food, water, and air supply. This approach includes utilizing Martian resources like water and ice for essential uses. Maintaining human health and safety in the Martian environment is a significant challenge that requires innovative solutions. Musk's method emphasizes durability and adaptability to interplanetary environments, with the eventual goal of evolving humanity into a species capable of coexisting on several worlds. Even while much progress has been made, particularly with the development of the Starship spacecraft, there are still many barriers to overcome before this vision can become a reality. Meanwhile, according to the results of 2 groups of astronomers led by Caltech experts, the largest water reservoir ever discovered in the universe has been found. The separation between us is 30 trillion miles. Yes, you heard correctly. A quasar, one of the brightest and most violent objects in the universe, has been discovered to contain the universe's largest reservoir. It is believed that the mass of water vapor is at least 150 times more than the entire amount of water in the Earth's oceans. Because the quasar is so far away, its light has taken 12 billion years to reach the Earth's surface. As a consequence of the scientists' measurements, it was revealed that the cosmos was just 1.6 billion years old on that specific day. According to Matt Bradford, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory scientist, the environment around this quasar is remarkable because it produces such a large amount of water. It's proof that water was present across the universe from the beginning. A quasar is powered by a giant black hole that consumes a disk of gas and dust surrounding it. The quasar emits massive amounts of energy into the surrounding space as it consumes. Since astronomers predict the presence of water vapor even in the early stages of the universe, the discovery of water came as no surprise. Conversely, water vapor is a substantial trace gas that offers information on the quasar's properties. Water vapor was seen to be scattered around the black hole in a gas region that spanned for hundreds of light years in this specific quasar. 1 light year is about comparable to 6 trillion miles. As a result of its presence, the gas was discovered to be extraordinarily hot and dense compared to astronomical standards. According to the scientists, this discovery highlights the advantages of seeing in millimeter and submillimeter wavelengths. The discipline has advanced rapidly in recent decades, and to realize the full potential of this line of research, the paper's authors are currently designing CCAT. This 25-meter diameter telescope will be built in Chile's Atacama Desert. Astronomers will be able to discover some of the universe's oldest galaxies thanks to the employment of CCAT. In contrast, NASA has identified the 10 most Earth-like exoplanets. Scientists have identified nearly 4,000 exoplanets since the first exoplanet circled a Sun-like star in 1995. According to NASA's Exoplanet Exploration Portal, there are 10,000 exoplanets. Over half of these discoveries were made by the Kepler Space Telescope, launched by NASA in 2009 to measure the frequency of Earth-like planets throughout the Milky Way galaxy. Astronomers have long hoped for the discovery of the first alien Earth. Recent exoplanet discoveries have shown that many small rocky worlds scattered around the galaxy are comparable to ours. To be deemed potentially life-friendly, a planet must be relatively small and thus rocky and orbit in its star's habitable or Goldilocks zone. This zone is loosely described as a location on the surface of a planet where liquid water can exist. Other factors, such as the nature of the planet's atmosphere and the degree to which its parent star is active, will be considered as telescope technology advances. Even though Earth 2.0 has yet to be discovered, the planets known to be the most similar to our own are as follows. Gliese 667 cubic centimeters. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, Gliese 667 cubic centimeters. It is only 22 light-years away from Earth and has at least 4.5 times the mass of Earth. The CC completes one orbit around its host star in roughly 28 days. However, because the lead-in issue is a red dwarf much colder than the Sun, the exoplanet is thought to be in the habitable zone. Gliese 667 cubic centimeters, discovered with the European Southern Observatory's 3, a 6-meter telescope in Chile, may circle close enough to the red dwarf to be fried by flares from the red dwarf. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.